best thumbnail maker applications out there. Pretty much show you guys how to use it like a pro. Stay tuned. The home screen, and as you can see here, it's a very simple layout and very straightforward application. Down here you may see create. This is pretty much where you go to create your thumbnails. You get thumbnails, pretty much anything you can create thumbnails for. So you have version which you can use. You have 6.9819, which is absolutely the YouTube thumbnail ratio, but you can scroll on as well and see the cover. You can create YouTube cover, you can create YouTube thumbnail, and also tablet background cover. Also, not for just YouTube, you have for Twitter, LinkedIn, Twitch, pretty much almost everything that you can think of. But most of these sizes can be used for most social media platforms. Also for logos, you can create one for that as well. So it also depends on what you want, guys. So let's say, for example, we create a logo for thumbnail for YouTube. Let's tap on the thumbnail option here. Here it will allow me to either go to my gallery, take a picture right away, or just choose a color. I'm just gonna choose black real quick. Once I've selected that, I can also adjust the box here to my liking, but it's pitch black, so there's nothing need to adjust there. I'm just gonna tap on this here, tick icon at the top, and then I can start editing start making the thumbnail. So down here you may have text option, which can add your text as well. You can see there, and also you have sticker option as well that comes with the application. Some of them it's kind of shaky though, but yeah. But also you have images you can add either from your gallery. Also have effects, as you can see all the effects here, and as well you have background images which you can add. At the top you may see some arrows pointing left, right. Those are pretty much the undo buttons which you can tap. Let's say I made an error, you can tap on the back undo button here. And let's say you want to go forward, meaning you have done something. I don't know, but anyways, yeah, you got what I mean, guys. Also, you have the erase button if you want to erase something out of the thumbnail. So once you finish, you can always go ahead, tap on the download icon there. We'll start downloading. You may see an ads. Just let it until ads load, exit off, and yeah, that's it. It's pretty much downloaded to your device for storage. So yeah, that's how you pretty much use this application. If I miss anything at all, comment below. See you in the next one.